Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to Muscle Madhouse Gaming. This is your dear friend, your boy E-Mus. Today is a very special day. It is, in fact, E-Mus's 6th birthday. No joke, 6 years and probably 4 hours ago, she was being born and we saw her, we met her for the first time. And today, she has chosen to come to Golfland Sunsplash. Go.
It's my 6th birthday. Today, you gotta subscribe down below.
And hit that like button. I'm gonna show you how cool this place is. And matter of fact, fun fact, Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure had a scene shot here. Napoleon Bonaparte loved these water slides. We're gonna show the water slides. We'll show a clip of that scene from Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure as well. If you haven't seen that movie, you gotta check that out. It's a great one. See you inside the park. These were the slides that Napoleon fell in love with in Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. There, way down there, and zoom in really. There's T-Mus and G-Mus. I imagine we'll see E-Mus emerge from one of these slides in a moment. We're going to show you what it's like to go down them. We got a little bit of a closer look at the slides. There's a big fishbowl thing. I'm not sure what they called it. We got the bonsais right here. And then the big, those used to be all blue, the blue, yellow, and the green ones. We're headed over to the Sunsplash side right now. Headed over to the lockers right now to get changed. Show you some of this place. It's awesome. We're at the wave pool right now, waiting for the waves to start. That's gonna be fun. All right, they just shot the cannons. The waves should be coming any second now. Oh, there we go. Finally. Emily, are you 6 today?
Yeah.
Woo! I don't know, I was just going to turn around and try and find him. There's T-Mus. Looking for G-Mus over there. For this Pokemon stuff. There you go. We see him. He's on his way. Fun stuff in the wave pool. Woo! Say that again. Yeah, waves. Now we're headed for the slides. T-Mus and E-Mus are ready to go down this one. About to go. They are. Mom and Emily.
Oh my God! You guys are gonna go!
Woo! There they go.
Hey, Mom!
There they go. Fun stuff. Alrighty.
Very fantastic ride, guys.
Thank you. Woo! Oh God! Woo! Woo! We're going up and down on the side. Woo! Oh gosh, that looks so cool. Whoa! Oh! Blasting water right up my shorts.
I just got a huge flippy.
Whoa!
That was sauce off my hands.
Oh, and another. Ooh. Jeez.
Oh no, I'm falling over.
That slide said you're getting off now. Whoa. That was fun. Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! Oh gosh, that one made me dizzy a little bit. E-Mus is about to do the lily pads. Oh, that one's about to go down the slide. Is he gonna make it first? Oh, E-Mus up there, ready to go down these slides. These slides, when I was a kid, I probably one day spent about 2 hours just doing this over and over again. It's so much fun. By the way, Sunsplash, make a big one for adults. They're 100 feet tall and twice as steep. That would be awesome. Woo! Yeah! Oh, E-Mus just made it. He's making it. You're almost there, buddy. He made it. He made it. E-Mus going for round 2, or possibly 6. Not sure.
Gabby, take your shoes. Take your shoes.
Oh. Going down this one. Yeah! Except I'd be swinging off that bar up there and I wouldn't even touch the slide till I was halfway down it.
Whoa, it's super bright.
What?
I've been rubbing my eyes for a super long time and it's so bright.
Well, stop rubbing your eyes so much.
Are you recording?
Yeah. For the first time in decades. It's smaller than I remember him. Headed back over to the body slides, the Golfland side of Sunsplash. This is the famous Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure Napoleon slides. Oh, got it. Thank you. Oh God! Oh! Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh, that was loco. That drop-in was the scariest part. Holy cow. Woo! Dear old E-Mus about to hit a patrol tunnel. And E-Mus and T-Mus. In that order.
Which one's great? Emma, and there's a line.
Braden's going down the patrol tunnel right now.
So which one? Oh, that's the one we just did.
E-Mus in the patrol tunnel. What? We got the Mystic Maze. How dare you! She pushed me. She pushed me and I'm telling. Woo! I thought the other one was the one that got going. I think I beat Emily now. I came out first. Woo! T-Mus and E-Mus for the very first time going down the bonsai like a big 6-year-old.
So bright for that sun.
I know.
Alright guys, press your orange light and wait for the green light. Wait for the green light.
Going. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud. Oh, I'm nervous. Fun as ever. It might not sound like it while I'm going down it, but it is a lot of fun.
I won!
No, you didn't. So some complete toolbox, as I was crossing from one side of the park to the other, said, we don't allow GoPros. Which is nonsense, because as you've already seen, I've been here filming all day, going up and down slides. Lifeguards have looked me dead in the eye and said nothing about it. So either he or everyone else here is terrible at their job. The smart money says it's him.
It's my 6th birthday. Today, you gotta subscribe down below.
And hit that like button.